Warning, this video is not for anybody under the age of 18. This is adult content.
Alrighty, everybody. I bought myself one of them all-in-one diesel heaters with the 5-liter tank. This is an 8,000 watt. This is the newer stand. It's a little beefier than like you'll see them, they're black and kind of more flimsy. This is going in my van. I actually might get another one for the inside of the garage here, mounted on. I'm in the process of working. Mounted on that door somewhere and have the exhaust going out through the door or something like that. That's kind of my thought for if I'm working on stuff in the garage in the winter. I'm going to mount this in my van, drill a hole for the exhaust, which you see right down there.
It's pumps out a ton of heat. Have this set up off of 2 deep cycle batteries. They're underneath my bed right now, and I didn't actually get a chance to hook those batteries up to the starter battery with like a relay or whatever the heck they're called, isolator or anything like that yet. So what I'm going to have to do is charge them with my generator. There's 2 batteries, so I should get at least about 3 days out of, I'm guessing 3 days out of a full, continuously using this. I think they only use 4 or 5 amps or something like that. Then it uses 1 amp when it's on low. So I should have a ton of battery juice to last me when I'm doing this. Then I just pull the generator out, charge those batteries with this thing here, and probably, I don't know, half hour, 45 minutes, an hour later, the battery's charged, and I'm back in business again. So all I have to do to turn this on is press the button on. This is a new LCD screen. There it is on startup. Right now it's 9 Celsius in here. Yeah, this sucker's kicking out some good heat. Alrighty guys, it's just starting to slow down. We're at 14 Celsius, so it's probably almost reached 15 Celsius, whatever that is in Fahrenheit. I believe, what the heck, 20 is 70. I think it's 72 or something. I don't know, 70. So this is probably 60, between 60 and 65 Fahrenheit. And it's really not that noisy. Like, it's warm in here. I'm starting to sweat. I have my jacket on, but I love this thing. See, it just reached 15. So this will start, the pump will start slowing down, and the fan will start slowing down, and it'll just blow. Right now, I think this is about, I don't know how hot it is coming out of here. It said 196 a while ago on, oh yeah, that pipe's hot, man. I can't touch that. Ouch, ouch. 210 Celsius, I think that's the exhaust that comes out of the exhaust chamber. That's at, batteries are at 12 volts or something like that, I think. 203 off the cylinder head, so that'd be the air that blows, gets sucked in there and blows over top of that cylinder head type looking thing. It comes out here. I believe that's the temperature. That 203 would be the temperature of this. I can't even hold my hand there. Like, I'm this high up from it, and I can't even hold my hand there. It's hot. There we go. I'm starting to throttle down now, but you'll still have that heat. See, it says it's 16 in here.
So it'll throttle down, and when it goes below, I think 14 or 13 Celsius, it'll kick back up. All you'll hear is the fan blow and a couple little ticks from the fuel pump. Okay, so this is what she sounds like. We're just kind of idle, waiting for the temperature to drop. I've dealt with this with my Webasto, so this little ticking sound really doesn't bother me. I'm used to it. That's okay though. This is what she sounds like. I don't know what it'll. And the heat out of here is a nice constant dry heat, so I don't have to worry about pulling my generator out unless the batteries are dead, which I'd probably take, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 3 days, maybe 4 days if I just run this, which isn't a bad deal. I can charge my cell phone or something off it, or I got one of these guys. I got a bunch of those guys too. I can run my lights for, you know, a night or something like that. For right now, I'm gonna wire this up to those deep cycle batteries. But yeah, works good, man. It's night. It's warm in here now. It says it's 21, but I don't know about that. Maybe it is. I don't know. I could definitely take my coat off. I'm nice and warm in here. But yeah, that's what she sounds like and looks like. I can definitely go to sleep, no problem with that ticking sound. I'm used to it when I ran my Webasto, so it don't bother me. But anyways, guys, thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now. Thanks for watching, and talk to you guys later. Another little quick thing here. I got this little key fob thing here, so click her off, it'll go into cool down mode, and bam, she's off. Fuel pump.
Have you seen a star screwdriver?
Ruining my high production.
Yep.
You need a star screwdriver?